All right, so we're rounding today. It's just a super review. Some of you are going to be like, why are we doing this? This is uber boring. But some people just need this quick review before we start our next topic, which is scientific notation. So I put all these steps down so that if this is something you struggle with, you can read the steps on your own. But what we're going to do is just go straight to the examples and practice it. So this first example on the left says round this number to the nearest hundredths place. So we have to identify where's the place value for hundredths. So from the decimal it goes tenths, hundredths. I always underline the place that we're rounding to. And then I draw an arrow and I look next door to see if it's 5 or more. So is this one 5 or more? Yes, so our little sing-songy rhyme says 5 or more, raise the score. So this 3 is going to become a 4, and the rest of the numbers get a haircut, so they get chopped off. So it would be 25.24. Or if you say it all mathy, 25 and 24 hundredths. Okay? Now we're going to go thousandths. So we underline the thousandths place. So it goes tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Then we look next door. Is that 5 or more? Yes, so we need to raise this to a 2 and give a haircut. So it's going to be 453.202. And we're going to add one more random example because I just learned some students really struggle with. So write this number down, 4.79502. I don't know, I just made that up. Okay. What if we're rounding this to the nearest hundredth? Okay. So tenths, hundredths. I look next door. Is that 5 or more?
Yep.
Yes. So I need to raise this 9. But like, how do we raise the 9?
Go to a 10,
So,
and then it'd be 8.
Absolutely. It would go to a 10, but that 1 gets added to that 7, so this would become 4.80. So that is probably the one part of rounding that some people kind of forget or feel a little bit uncomfortable with. So just really wanted to show you one more example of that. If it says hundredths, you really are supposed to have that 0 there. You guys know though that 4.80 and 4.8 are the same, but if it says round to the nearest hundredth, you're supposed to have the 0 on the end because you're going to the hundredths place. Okay? So that's pretty much it for rounding review. You feel okay?